everyone from We Love Food World with Ricardo Nunes, Antonia, septimo. Hello people guys. Okay, I'm gonna make today coconut butternut squash with French beans. And my own language is Kalabasang pula at Sitaw na Ginataang. So this is red king prawns. It's look yummy and delicious. And the kitchen we on fire. Okay guys, this is my recipe. Today is French long beans, butternut squash, onion, salt, garlic, ginger, pepper, and meron tayong chili. And then prawn, meron tayong water and coconut. Of course, meron tayong oil. So guys, the recipe is this nice and delicious. Okay guys, let's start. Lagyan natin siya ng a bit oil para maluto yung oil. Okay, so lagyan natin yung garlic. Lagyan natin yung ginger, garlic. Ayan. Okay, yung sibuyas. Ayan. Dry natin. But the prawn guys later. Okay, so lagay natin yung butternut squash. Lagay na natin guys yung coconut oil. Haluin lang natin. Just mix together. Okay guys. Lagyan na natin yung long beans. Huh? Yung French beans. Ayan. Hahaluin lang natin po. Just make together. At tatakpan natin siya later. Okay. Lagyan natin yung fish sauce, patis, pepper, and salt. Okay. Yan. Haluin ko na. Look at this rice. Wow, amazing. Lagyan natin yung chili. Chili. Haluin. Ayan, ya. Okay, 5 minutes and then lagyan natin ito. Okay guys, I need to put this on.
No, wait a minute.
Yes, man. Why did you run away? You cannot go outside because you run away in your car.
Hi guys, wow, it's already cooked, so I'm gonna try this people. Nice. And hopefully you like my recipe people. Thank you for watching again. And Ginataang kalabasa with king prawns, yummy and delicious. Sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking recipe. May ginataang. God bless you. Bon dia, Carlos Diaz, Elsa Benzi, Virginia Lali, Luis Kakang, Nikki, Marcos Cesar, Paola Vera, Sheila Santini, Benya Come, mwah! What's that?
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food